Hi everyone, so far we have already designed forms, we have bind, drop downs and radio buttons, and in the last video I have shown you how we can hide and show controls. Now in today's video we are going to see how we can push data from the forms to the data services. Now for that, first you have to go to the data services where you have to create an entity. So let's create new entity. My first tab entity, and then click on save. Let's open it. Now let's start create a fields. Now if you see in the form I have issue name, issue description, IT ticket raise and description. But when I click on yes, I also have IT ticket number and status. So let's start capturing these fields here. So what I'll do, I'll first create the issue name, issue name, let me give space here. Another is issue description, issue description is IT ticket raised, IT ticket number, status, and when I click on no, description. So I have created each and every field which is present on the form. Now what is the next step? Now let's click on this and you will see entity here. Now select your entity, my first app entity, click add. Now it is added. Now here if you scroll down you see your entity is added here, which is my first app entity. Now on the submit button I want to push data from the form to the entity to data services. Click on this form, go to the events, create role. Now when you scroll down you will see create entity record. Click on this, select the entity. Now we can see to the left all the fields is reflecting from the entity, and from the right we have to pass the value from the forms. Now let's start with the description first. So for description, which is the description field, text issue description. So if you see the parent name is main page, so you have to first click on open expression editor and then write down main page dot uh, text description or text issue description dot value and save. You can also click on this to see if this is the right one or not. So this is for issue description. Okay, so let's go back and see if we have put it into the issue description or not. So I think issue description is this. So let's cut this and paste it here. Let me remove this. This is for description field only. So description field is defined somewhere here, text description. So what I'll do, I have already copied this, so I'll click on this and paste it here. Instead of this, what I have to select, I have to select text description value. For is IT ticket raised, this is drop down. So not drop down, it is radio button. So let's find radio button ticket and then value. For issue name should be text, I believe, text issue name. For IT ticket number, this is again a text box. Selected item dot name. Let's try with this. Let me preview it. Okay, so let me put something here. App not working. Yes, ticket number is 12345. It is assigned. Submit. Let's see if it is submitted or not. Now we can see the data is populating here. Okay, description, IT number, everything is coming as we have selected yes option here, so that's why the ticket number is coming. So what if we have selected the no option? So if you see, when I clicked on no, this text box should be clear, otherwise it will take the values. How? Let me click on test and let's refresh it. Now what you will see, for the same entry the description is there, the IT ticket raise is no, but still we have this information here because it is taking the previous value. So whenever we click on no, these two values should be removed, it should be empty. So on that we have to work. Let's go here. When it is created, let's show a message box. Message box saying that record is updated. Let's make a reset value. Now we can reset the value also every time. So let's preview it and save it again. Let me give it another name, Kishley workday not working. Yes, status is success or new. Submitted. Record is updated, and also the title you can change it from the message box, but you see it is refreshed now. Now when the user is going to enter something again, it have to select all the information. So let's select issue name, test 2, description 2, no. Now let's click on submit. Okay, the record is updated. Let's go and see in the services these records are updated or not. You can refresh from here also, as I'm refreshing from here, but the best way to refresh from here. So issue name, issue description, no, and these both are blank now, because when is IT ticket raised is yes, only then this ticket number and status need to be updated. Now you can see it is blank. What else we can do? For example, user is putting some information here, and then the user is putting the ticket number. After that, user change his mind and now he wants to go with no option, but somehow he forget to clear out these things. So whenever we click on the no, this ticket number and status should be clear out. So for this, let's work on that part, how we can fix this. Let's go to the main page first, and then this radio button. If radio button is yes, this is fine. If it is no, then let's clear out the text box value. The text box value is main page dot uh, text ticket number dot value. This should be empty. Same way, the drop down value, can we reset the value for drop down? Reset the value for drop down status value. Okay, let's try with the reset only. But this one also, let me choose the reset value, and from main page let me select the text ticket number value. Let me preview it. Now let me put some data here. Yes, success, and then no. It is clear out. Similar way, when you click on yes, the no value should be clear out. So what we have to do? Same thing, we can go in the if block. When it is checked as yes, that means we have to reset the value of description, text description. Click on the preview. Let's see. If you are putting something here, yes, success, clicking on no, let's see, yeah, it is empty now, which is fine. But if you are putting something here onto the no, but if you change mind and click on yes, see, the no value is empty. That means it is working fine. Let's try to submit it with no option. Record is updated. Now this is how you can submit the data from form to data services. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.